All right, now I'm on the bottom of page 440. Let's look at this really quick. Compare the surface area you found by adding the areas of the faces to the surface area you found by counting grid squares. Explain your results. So basically what they're saying is when we drew it on our grid paper, we counted 208 boxes, and then when we found the area using length times width and added those all up, we got the same area. So our results were we got the exact same number. So either way is okay to do. And in fact, on tests or anything like that, if you want to use grid paper and draw out and just count the boxes, you can do that. Now it's going to take you a lot longer to do that, but you could do it if you completely forgot how to find area. I mean, you could just count, draw your lines and then just count all the boxes inside. Number 3, use reasoning. Identify any prism faces that have equal areas. How could you use that fact to simplify the process of finding the surface area of the prism? Well, we could simplify by there's always two of the same number so we could multiply those by 2. So remember, there was two 24s, so we could say 24 times 2 plus 32 times 2 plus, what was the other one? 48 times 2. So we could do it that way as well, and then take these three numbers and add them together. So that would be another way. Describe how you could find the surface area of a cube. Well, since a cube, all the squares are the same, you would find the area of one side, and then multiply by the number of sides. And then my question to you is, how many sides? So what are you going to be multiplying by? You find the area of one side, and then you multiply that area times what? And I want you to figure that out. I've talked about it in the previous videos. Whenever you have a rectangular prism, you have to find the area of how many different sides. And if it's a cube, you only need to find the area of one side and then multiply that, because all of those, there'll be squares. All of those squares will have the same area. So what are you going to multiply? How many sides does a cube have? I've already talked to you before. I want you to put that number down right here. And if I come around, I should see that number right here in a big circle on your page, so I know you're following along and listening to the videos. All right, thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.